Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a badass 250-gallon tank smoker here, built from my man Dave. Now, he is driving a Ford. I'm going to let him get away with that because he's got such a badass pit built here. So we custom painted this to match his truck. Of course, we got the gloss black trailer, the glacier gray 250 pit here. Just came out slick. So let's check it out. And like I said, it is on our custom built trailer here, and this is the standard trailer you'll get with a 250-gallon tank smoker. So we got a single 3,500-pound axle. Now, he did upgrade the wheels and tires. We got the white wall tires, paint matched wheels with the Baby Moon hubcaps. Let's check out the smoker here. Now, of course, you got full bottom trays in here, both sliding top racks. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers. He did add 2 more on the top there. Fold down smokestack. That's standard on all tank smokers, and as well as the fully insulated firebox. And when I say fully insulated, by God, this thing's insulated. We've got 24-inch pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, the front's insulated. I mean, this thing, she's insulated. Let's just say that. Pop this lock back in there. Come around to the back side. Now, one upgrade he did do to the trailers, he added a stainless steel prep table back here. So this will actually fold up, get to your storage underneath, fold it back down, lock it up, boom, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to go. He did add a spare tire up there as well, guys. You're gonna wanna get that spare tire, trust me. You don't wanna be on the side of the road without it. But guys, that is this TMG 250 on a single axle trailer. Staying in the great state of Tennessee, we love that. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.